The impact of wellness. Spiritual retreats on personal transformation and well-being. Discover how wellness spiritual retreats deepen self-awareness, promote healing, and guide your journey toward holistic health and mindfulness. The transformative power of wellness. Spiritual retreats. Hey, I want to share something really inspiring with you today. Wellness spiritual retreats. Have you ever thought about stepping away from your daily routine to just focus on your mind, body, and spirit all at once? These retreats aren't just a fancy getaway. They're immersive experiences designed to promote healing, foster self-awareness, and spark genuine personal transformation. Now, I know the idea of a spiritual retreat might bring up images of exotic locations or strict rituals, but the truth is, these retreats come in all shapes and sizes. Whether it's a quiet weekend in the mountains or a week-long journey with yoga and meditation by the beach, they all share a common goal: helping you reconnect with the core of who you really are. What makes wellness retreat experiences so powerful is how they combine mindfulness with holistic health. When you're fully present in the moment, whether you're meditating, journaling, or just breathing deeply, you start noticing aspects of yourself that often get buried under daily stress and noise. It's in these quiet moments that true self-care happens, and that's when healing begins. Here's the thing about wellness retreats. They create a safe, supportive container for people to explore their mental health without distractions. Many of us carry around a lot of emotional baggage without realizing it. By stepping out of your usual environment, you give yourself permission to slow down and engage in self-help practices that guide you gently toward emotional clarity and balance. Self-awareness. Recognizing patterns, emotions, and habits that shape your daily life. Emotional healing. Addressing traumas or stress in a nurturing environment. Physical well-being. Integrating movement, nutrition, and rest into a holistic health routine. Mindfulness. Learning to be present and reduce anxiety or overwhelm. Most retreats include group sessions, one-on-one coaching, and plenty of solo reflection time. There's a rhythm to the day that's quite different from your usual fast-paced life. You'll probably find that this slower pace helps ignite your journey toward a healthy lifestyle, making it easier to sustain positive changes once you return home. Another fascinating aspect is the community you often find at these retreats. Sharing your journey with others who are also committed to personal transformation can be incredibly uplifting. It's like finding your own tribe, people who understand your struggles and who are rooting for your success in your wellness journey. In terms of results, people often come away with a renewed sense of clarity about what matters most to them. For many, it's the first step in a bigger commitment to living mindfully, caring deeply for themselves, and embracing a balanced life. Now, if this sounds like something you want to explore but aren't sure where to start, there's a wealth of resources out there. Books, podcasts, and online communities can provide guidance and inspiration. For a great selection of books that cover health and wellness topics, you can check out this collection. Explore the books now to find tools and stories that might help you on your personal journey toward holistic health. Ultimately, wellness spiritual retreats are about giving yourself the gift of time and space. Space to heal, to learn, and to grow. They remind us that self-care isn't just about bubble baths or occasional treats. It's a lifelong commitment to nurturing every part of ourselves. So, whether you're curious about improving your mental health, seeking a break from the hectic pace of life, or hoping to deepen your mindfulness practice, wellness retreats can be a meaningful, transformative experience. And who knows, one day you might find yourself packing a bag for a journey that changes your life in ways you never imagined. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, your well-being is worth every moment you invest in it. For more inspiration on health and wellness, be sure to check out this collection of wellness books. Explore the books now and start your journey toward a balanced and vibrant life.